stuck a little bit, didn't I?
Yeah.
Today's adventure is going to be canyoneering in Alegria Falls.
Typically when you come to Cebu, you would do Kawasan Falls, which is the really famous one, and some beautiful waterfalls. But the government closed it in early June 2023, so we were unable to go there. Though we have heard that Alegria Falls is a more fun, more advanced version of Kawasan Falls.
We have our own motorbike, so we're going to drive over to the falls now and navigate things from there. All right, I think we're ready. You could book this as a full tour, but we're doing it the old school way. We did a little bit of haggling. They set us up with some equipment. Quick briefing, now we're off.
All right, we made it up a huge hill. 2 people behind an actual driver flying up, bumpy, smushed, but we're here. They really throw us in the deep end here right away.
We have a guide and it's just the 2 of us with the guide. But obviously there's a lot of people going downstream together, so we'll get to watch everybody else too. We got here just before all of the big crowds, so you can see that if it were really backed up, you'd have some long waits. Maybe just this first one. That was awesome. I felt like I was in the air for a while, but
it feels good, and the water feels really good.
Listen to the jumps, they're just cool trekking around the canyon as well.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. There are a lot of people here. This is the most people we've seen this whole time.
That's a little water park ride. I do look ridiculous in this orange vest though. Ah, this is awesome.
I haven't stopped to appreciate how beautiful this canyon is. It's so green everywhere, and you've got this crazy blue water.
Not only do we have our own guide, but we also have our own professional photographer. Professional, but she's working hard. There goes our photographer, Jen. Climbing up to the side to get the shot. Anything for the gram. That was crazy.
Almost took out their guide on this side.
I started to dive and I bailed halfway. It's too scared. Usually we're not one for big group tours or anything, but this is a ton of fun. Definitely a must do in the area.
Ready?
How am I doing?
Terrible.
I wasn't filming it well?
You were part of the way. The part way, you just turned it sideways, but that.
Such an adventure. Now it's raining, and we're climbing along this narrowish cliff. Pretty epic. Yeah, I got stuck a little bit, didn't I?
Yeah.
Fit through here?
Why are you going backwards?
I'm waiting for you.
Okay, I'm here.
This is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
just floating along here for a bit. Look how beautiful this canyon is. Obviously totally safe, but we're gonna have some battle scars after this. So many bruises. I'd say this is more of an adventure than I expected, to be honest. Sometimes you go on these and they're a little like kiddie-like, but it's intense. Jump, slides, terrain, treacherous, traverses. It's pretty awesome. That last one was quite a doozy.
That was definitely higher than any of the others.
Probably like 30 feet, maybe 8-10 meters, something like that.
Every time he says, okay, jump here, I'm like, wait, where? Here? In the middle? Far? Close? What do I do?
Now is just to walk out, try not to bang your ankles and shins between the rocks.
We did it! This is straight out of a fairy tale. It is so perfect and picturesque. I love it. The place water, the beautiful green trees, the rocks everywhere. This is paradise. Are you coming with me?
Yeah, I'm coming with you, right?
Yeah. Oh God.
Oh geez, I let you go. What I believe to be the final slide there, we had to go tandem. We made it out alive from Alegria, which seems like an accomplishment now looking back.
We do have a few cuts and bruises, and we're definitely going to be feeling them over the next couple of days, but all in all, that was such a great experience.
I think it was more of an adrenaline rush than both of us expected. I mean, we're pretty experienced in terms of like outdoor kind of things, but there was so much like jumping and like a lot of raging water, and even just like traversing the space was like a little intimidating at times above the water on the slippery ground, but thankfully we had some awesome guides with us too.
Yeah, our guides will kind of just be like, yeah, step there, go. And I feel like I need a little bit more instruction than that because I want to make sure I'm doing the right thing. But they were really great. They took pictures the entire time. I'm sure we're going to have thousands of pictures and videos to go through. We have done a few canyoneering things on our own before, but I will say going down with the guide in this one was a lot of fun because we did get to experience some things we probably wouldn't have done on our own.
Certainly, while Kawasan is closed, Alegria is a fantastic option, and you definitely shouldn't skip out on the area just because of that. Honestly, even when they're both open, obviously we haven't done Kawasan before, but how could it top that? We do recommend going as early as possible if that's the only thing on your list. We went this morning in Mobile to do the sardine runs. We started a little bit later, a little more crowds, but didn't really damper our experience.
And now we're gonna take in some of the beautiful beach here. If you're interested in watching our other Philippines videos, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.